Algebra 1 EOC practice test number 9. So I think this is the last one of the non-calculator part. So it says the function f of x equals x squared minus 3x minus 4 is graphed on the coordinate plane. Consider f of x minus 3, which option correctly describes the transformation of the graph. Okay, so remember, if the number is outside the parentheses, if it were out here, it would be an up or down movement. Okay, if it's inside the parentheses, it's a horizontal or left or right movement. So anything inside is going to be left or right, and anything outside like plus 2 or minus 2, this would be an up or down movement. So very quickly, if you remember transformations and you know that inside is horizontal, you can automatically eliminate A and B because that's not an up and down movement. We know it's going to move left or right. Now, you do have to be careful here. When it moves up or down, it moves the way you expect it to. So if it says plus 2, you move up 2. And if it says minus 2, you move down 2. But with the horizontal movements, it's always opposite the way you expect it to. So this says minus 3. Going left moves you in a negative direction, but we have to go opposite this sign. So we're actually going to be moving this to the right 3 units to represent this transformation. All right, and if you need more review on that, you should have some notes on transformations. So for number 9, the correct answer is D.